If you want to reset password for the secure folder on a Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, if you try to unlock the secure folder but you don't remember the password, after the second failed attempt, you might be able to find recover access option at the bottom here. So of course, if you wanted to use it, you will need to use your screen lock password or biometrics in order to verify yourself. And then here we have the option to verify with Moto account. So if you have Moto account, then you should be able to, of course, sign into your account and then recover the password. Over here, we also have this option that if you logged into Moto account with Google and are experiencing issues, you can change your password in here by choosing the change password option. Now, if you don't have the option to recover the access to the secure folder, another thing that you can do is you can open settings. Then in here, we're gonna go to security and privacy, scroll down and choose more security and privacy. And in here, we're gonna go to the secure folder. Here we have the option to delete the secure folder. There we go, so we want to confirm that. You can of course use the screen lock password for that instead of the secure folder password. And then if you're ready, you can just delete the secure folder completely. This means that of course everything that you have inside the secure folder is going to be completely erased. So unless you are certain that you cannot remember the password, you can of course delete everything, and then you can set up the secure folder again. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.